Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Thanks again for joining us. This show that we're doing here is from a promo. I said coming soon. It's the fagioli soup. It's an Italian soup. I think you're going to love it. What does fagioli mean? It means beans, in which we have right here. So, just to get going, I'm going to show you. Obviously, you see what's here. This is all the ingredients that we needed. A lot of things are chopped already, and I took care of it ahead of time, and that's the best thing you should do when you get going. I'm going to take you around the horn now and show you what we have. And all the ingredients about how many ounces this is and how much that will be in the description. Thanks again for joining us. Appreciate you guys, and thanks again for the subscribers. Thanks for joining the familia. Grazie. Okay, right over here we have carrots. Then we have some whole tomatoes with the juice, in which I'm going to crush in the pot. Then we have some fresh thyme. Then we have some baby kale right here. Then we have some prezzemolo in Italian, that's Italian parsley. Then we have some long onions right here. There's the long onions right there. And then we have some celery. And of course we have the beans, three kinds of beans. We have your black beans, we have the red beans, of course, which are kidney beans, and the white beans. They all go in together. Then over here, we have fresh chopped garlic. Yeah, right there. Then on this side, we have some Italian seasoning. Some Italian seasoning is right there. There's Italian seasoning. And then over here, we have some spinach, some fresh spinach. Everything is fresh. Okay, so that's around the horn, but in the pot now we have the broth, the vegetable broth. And again, everything will be in the description on how much everything is. As you can see, there's the broth right there. Now, here we go. We're gonna go right now. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our tomatoes and we're gonna put them in, and I'm gonna crush them with my hands. Now I wash my hands, they're ready to go. You can use gloves if you want. The Italian way is we do it, we get right in there. So here we go. And I have a couple cans of tomatoes here, and I'm gonna go use the juice and the tomatoes and just pour them just like that, right in there, just like so. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go ahead and crush them. Go right ahead. This is great. I think you'll enjoy this part too. You're gonna love it. I like using the whole tomatoes and crush them as opposed to the pieces. That way you make it sort of, bigger and smaller. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Alrighty. Thank you. Here we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of the Italian seasoning in. That goes in just like so. Then I'm going to put the fresh chopped garlic in, just like so. Here we go. There we go, just like so. Then I go ahead and I'll put the thyme in. There it is, fresh thyme, right there. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the beans in, all the three beans. Here we go, just like so. Whoa, slid right in there. I love that. Okay, put this right here. Then I'll go ahead and put the long onions. You can put it in any order you want. This is just how I'm doing it here. Celery. There we go. And then we have some carrots. Put them in just like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the greens out right now, and I'm going to take this over to the stovetop, and I'm going to start letting this cook and cook down a little bit, and then I'm going to add the greens. So join me over at the stovetop. All right, we've got everything together, ready to put it on the stovetop at a medium heat, and go ahead and let it cook down. I'm going to go ahead and stir it, and then I'm going to add in the greens, all of these greens that you see over here. Let me get a nice, oh my gosh, you can see that, I'm sure. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh, this is so healthy for you and nutritious. I'm going to tell you, there's a lot of protein. Oh my gosh, this is just wonderful. It's just wonderful. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let her cook for a little while, and then I'm going to take the lid off. I'm going to let it cook down a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and add the greens. Yeah. All right, it's been cooking now for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and stir it again, and then let it cook down a little more and get some of the juices all soaked into everything. And then I'm going to add the greens. Okay, so we'll go ahead and let this now, leave the lid off, let it cook down. All right, now it's cooking down a little bit. I'm going to add a little pepper. There we go. Put a little pepper in there. And I'm not going to add any salt to this because in the broth, I used broth that was just regular broth. It has salt in it. So I don't want to over salt anything. And you can use as much salt as you wish as you go. So you can check that out, okay? So you can either get low sodium broth, vegetable broth that is, vegetable, and you know, take it how you want there. You know, watch your blood pressure though with that salt. As you can see, it's boiling away nicely. It's cooking in, it's cooking good, it's boiling down, reducing, and then I'm going to add the greens. I'm going to give it a little stir again. All right, we're going to give it a stir. It's cooked down about a good 1.5 inches, and we're going to go ahead and add our greens. Baby kale, spinach, and prezzemolo, which is Italian parsley. So we're going to put the Italian parsley in first, like so. Then I'll go ahead and put the baby kale. And then, of course, the spinach. There we go. Get all of it in there, yeah. And then go ahead and give it a stir. All these great flavors. My goodness. I can't wait. This is going to be so delicious. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on now so it collects all those flavors. Okay, let's go ahead and take a peek. I can't help myself. Gorgeous, huh? We'll go ahead and give it a stir. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on. Whoops. There we go. Get us there. There you go. And let her cook for maybe another half hour, 45 minutes. Ooh, it's going to be wonderful. Next time I see you, I'm going to be over at the island and we'll go ahead and serve it up. Okay, here we are. Voila, all done. The fagioli soup is done. It's got so many beautiful ingredients in here. The aroma is unbelievable and it's so healthy for you any time of year. This is a snack, it's a dinner, it's whatever you want it to be. It's got everything in it. And of course some favorite crackers you might want. So you can go ahead and have it with that. Anyway, and you know what else is really great with it? Is some sourdough bread with a little bit of butter. Ooh, I love it. Anyway, look at this. Let me just go ahead and show you. This looks, oh, so good. Look at that. I can't wait to dig in here myself. Anyway, thank you for joining us here at Vito's Italian Cuisine for the fagioli. The coming soon is here now. That's right. Thank you for joining us. Thank you to all my subscribers out there. We love you here at our family. You are our family, and thank you so much. Go to vitositaliancucina.com or Vito's Italian Cuisine at YouTube. Ciao for now. Arrivederci.